If you want to add an event to calendar on POCO M8 5G, what you can do is you can go to the calendar app, and if you open the app drawer, you will notice that we have actually two calendar apps. So this one over here, this more colorful, is the Google Calendar app. In this case, you will have to grant some permissions in order to, of course, be able to access the calendar. And over here, we can just press this plus button in the bottom right corner, and then we can choose event. And of course, we can start setting it up. You can set the name for the event. We have all these date and time settings. You can also choose the time zone and whether the event should repeat or not. So you can set these things up. If you scroll down, you can also find settings for location, notifications. You can also add Google Drive attachments, and so on and so forth. And once you set everything up, you can just simply use this save button in the upper right corner. And of course, you want to allow the calendar app to send you notifications, so of course you can be notified about incoming events. And if you decide to actually use this one, this is also a calendar app that works in a pretty similar way, but this one is made by Xiaomi, and it is also integrated with the Google Calendar app. So it doesn't really matter that much which one you choose. I guess it's up to personal preference, which one you like more. And then here you can press this plus in the upper right corner in order to create an event. And we have many of different things that we can use over here that we can set up, just like in the case of the Google Calendar app. And yeah, of course, once you set everything up, use this check in the upper right corner. That is pretty much it. Subscribe to my channel.